Hello, this is a tutorial on how parents can use the Alma portal. First of all, you can open any browser, Firefox, Google Chrome, any browser you want, and in the address box you have to type isaac.getalma.com. This page opens and you will see a username and a password. You will have to enter the username and the password as provided to you by the school. Normally, the username is your first name dot family name, and the password should contain capital letter, small letters, and numbers. Okay, make sure you enter them correctly, and then you click on login. Now, once you click on login, you will the page will open. You will see home, calendar, and the children, the name of your children. So home basically will show you the the information related to the calendar and your the students, which are your children. If you go to calendar, you will see the school calendar with specific events and holidays and semester, when does the semester start or ends, all of the related things to calendar. And then you will see your children. So depending on how many children you have, you will have them, you click on each child to see his schedule, his assignments, his grades, and everything. So I opened one of my children accounts, and this was his schedule for that specific day. Normally you will see the period, which subject they have, period 1, period 2, period 3, and any assignments will show at the bottom of like here. In social studies, you will see this. This is the lesson for that day, and this is the assignment. Okay, this is one thing. Normally for the assignment, if you look over here, you have to do classes and attendance. Do normally will show you all the assignments that are due. Since our school ended, there are no assignments showing here. But in normal school days, once you click on to do, you will see all the assignments in chronological order, showing you each assignment for each subject and the due date. Since here it doesn't show, and normally if the due date has passed and you can need to submit your assignment, you have to go to classes. In classes, you will have all the subjects. You will have all the subjects, the name of the teacher, and next to the name of the teacher, you will see the mail icon where you can correspond with the teacher of that class. For the assignments, you need to click on each subject individually and see the assignments and their due dates. Like here, for example, these are the assignments given in English. All of this, the assignment, the due date, whether it's graded or not, and so on. So this is how you see them. I'm going to click on one of the assignments, and then this is what you will see here, the instructions for that related assignment. You can go back and you will be back to the classes page. You can click on another assignment on another subject, math, for example. Again, you will see the instructions of the specific assignments. Okay, I'm going to click on one of them and you will see the requirements. Okay, this is for the assignments. You need There are two ways to check them, either in the to-do list, but now it will not show properly since the school has finished. That's why I'm showing them to you through classes. If for any reason you wanted to contact the teacher, you can always click on the mail icon next to the name of the teacher. A page will open where you have to write the subject and your message, and if there is any attachments that you need to add to your email, and then click on send. This email will be sent to the teacher's email, and the teacher will reply to you through your email. Okay, so the correspondence will not be shown on Alma, but it will be shown on your emails. Okay, this is a short tutorial on how parents can check Alma for their specific children. You can do the same for the different children that you have, each and every one, by clicking and going through their classes and their assignments. I hope this is useful. I'm going to show you another tutorial later on how students can check Alma.